Oh, that's better. Now the light's on. Okay, so I got everything hooked up now. That's my choke here. I got my fuel cables and my air cables hooked up. So this unit now is ready to go back in the bike, and hopefully I'll get her running tomorrow. Flyby. And once I get her running, I drive it over to my buddy's place, and he's gonna put these two bad boys in a sonic cleaner. And I've got a rebuild kit for both of them. So all these little jet things that are in here are gonna get replaced with better ones. And that's when I get to do my real how-to video and pull them out again, clean them, and put them back in again. Yeah, I don't know if I'm looking forward to that. But I get a chance to do this while I'm watching hockey. Is that awesome or what? Cool, right?